Hey there, I'm Shubhendra. I work as a developer outreach at DeepSource. In this video, I'll be showing you how easily you can integrate DeepSource on your repo to activate continuous analysis and automatically fix code quality issues. First, we'll need to sign up on DeepSource website using our GitHub account. We can also sign up using GitLab or Bitbucket. I'll sign up using my GitHub account. After signing up, it will ask you to choose your provider. In my case, I'll choose GitHub. Here you can install DeepSource either on your organization or on your personal account. I'll choose my personal account. Now it will ask you whether you want to integrate DeepSource on particular repository or on all the repositories. I will choose all the repositories. It also lists the permissions it will have on your GitHub repo. Once installed, it will take you to the onboarding steps. In the first steps, it asks about the issues which you would like to see on the dashboard. I'm going to skip this for now. You can modify this later in the settings. It shows the list of repositories if you want to activate analysis on any repo straight away. So I'll start with the analysis. Here it asks you to create a configuration file, that is deepsource.toml file for this repo. I've already created a configuration file for this repo and it should be on the root of the repository. So now I'll click on I've already added the deepsource.toml file. Now DeepSource has detected the configuration file on the root of the repo and the analysis is triggered. We'll wait for the analysis to be done. The first time analysis of the repository is completed, so let's have a look at the issues that have been caught by the DeepSource. It has got various performance issues, bug risk, anti-patterns, and security issues. So let me show you how to fix one. We'll click on the AutoFix button and let's see. Okay, so to auto-fix an issue, we need to install AutoFix app on our GitHub. We'll grant the access to the AutoFix app and then we are good to go. Okay, so let's auto-fix this issue. DeepSource is generating the fixes for this issue and it will show what changes will be made using the AutoFix. Okay, so here it is. Now we'll click on create the pull request. DeepSource has created a pull request for us. So let's have a look at that. As you can see, DeepSource will now continuously scan for any changes made in the repo. We can wait for the checks to pass or we can simply merge the PR. That's it. The checks have been passed and we can now merge the PR. I hope you will be able to easily integrate DeepSource after watching this video. Thank you.